Hi everyone, my name is Roxanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a get ready with me. Full intentions of doing one yesterday, but my daughter was just not having it. So, yeah, it was a fun day yesterday. So, I am going to go in with my MAC paint pot. I'm going to do my eyes first. I want to do something Christmassy, but something kind of romantic and elegant and, you know, like something fun. Kind of moved around things so that be easier to find, easier to do. I think my dog is kind of lost because my daughter's not here right now. Alright, so just went in with my MAC paint pot. I am going to use the Pat McGrath. I found a couple shades that I like, so I thought I would use them. I think I'm going to do more of a red eye on the top and then something like maybe green. Unfortunately, there's only a couple shades that aren't like sparkly, so I'm limited to what I can kind of do with this palette if I just use it. So there's a loose hair here. I'm trying not to. Okay, so oh, sassy in your clippy clops. So sash. She's just so lost without the little girl. I know. Okay. No, you don't need to be petted. You're okay. Sorry, guys. It's like 3 minutes into this, and you're like, just get on with it. Get on with it. I gotta move my mirror closer, because, yeah, it's hard for me to see. Okay, so I don't know. I thought I liked this brush, but maybe I don't. Seriously, Sash? You missing her that much? She just had her nails cut, too. Okay. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Yeah, I know, Sash. Life is hard. Life is so hard, pups, I know. Feels like there's not enough light here. There is, but it just feels like that. Okay. I know, I'm like taking forever on this part. I'm gonna have to go in there. There. That's what I want. Okay. I am gonna go back in with the paint pot. I just kind of want to not exactly a cut crease, but just make I'm going to go in with this beautiful red. I'm just going to pack it on. So there isn't much for like shades. So I use this red here for behind, and then this red here for in the front. So I am going to put that down here for a second. I'm going to take this color here. It kind of looks pink, but I'm just going to go in the top just to kind of give it a little bit of a softer look. So I do have this beautiful green to go underneath, but I am going to do so I'm going to use this as my under eye primer. I feel like I hear something ringing, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Bye Bye under eye. I know there's a cat over there, Sasha. Poor Sass and her cat. So I am going to go in with my Kaja. go in with my, you know what, I'm gonna use actually this eyeliner. I think it's more, like I don't have to do red and green, I can do something like a little more elegant than that. So I am going to go in with this little bit of red now. I just want to keep closing it, I don't know why. Okay. I think I'm just going to stop there. I'm going to, actually I'm going to use the matte Putty primer. I don't think it needs that much, but we'll see. So. I know it's strange that I went with the e.l.f, but I needs to be used once in a while. Okay, so I'm going in with my CC, but your skin but better. I am doing the illumination one. So. Okay, so this one seems a little dark. Did I get this in? Oh, this is light medium. That's fine. It's more or less to try out the actual foundation itself. This one would be good for me in the summer when I do get out. So, did I bring my water over? No, I didn't. Of course not. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the contour and everything else. Okay, guys, went ahead and finished up the rest of my face. I did have some issues with a little bit of everything today, so I'm really glad I just kind of took my time, went off camera. I did the contour. I used the blush from here, but I forgot how pigment this is. So, like, you really just need a swipe. So I kind of went in with the dark, and it was just way too dark, so I kind of redid it a little bit, and I went in with the dark and then the lightest, and that worked a little better, but I had to tone it down quite a bit. So yeah, I will say I use this for my lips, and I really, really like it because I want the focus to be more on my eyes than on my lips, especially now that we are wearing masks out. And this is nice because it kind of dries down and it doesn't feel like my lips are dried out. It is a multi-purpose color haze, so I can use it on my cheeks if I wanted to. I will say that I had to add a little bit of the matte in the color light because I felt like I was way too dark, so just maybe mixing these two, I think from now on. I have to remember that I did get it a little darker than I originally that I should have. But yeah, I use that conditioner that we got from BoxyCharm, the Keratis, and oh my god, this is day 2 and my hair looks and feels so good. It is a very heavy scented conditioner, so I wasn't sure I was gonna like it, but today I don't smell it at all, which is great. Kind of was giving me a bit of a headache yesterday, so, and my daughter really likes it too because she was pulling on my hair last night. So anyway, considering I don't usually wear reds, I really don't mind this look. I think it's a nice, you know, if I was going out to a little bit of a Christmas party, it's probably be a little bit of a look I would use. Did use the Doll 10 eye pencil in, I think it's called Crush Pearl. No, it's Nude Pearl, sorry. I was able to actually get some on the inside of my eye, or my waterline there, which is really nice. And then I actually put some underneath, again, after I put the darker burgundy kind of color under, and it made it like just pop out a little bit more, so I like that. Use the Lovecraft Beauty for the highlighter, although I think I probably kind of rubbed it off a little bit, but yeah. So, okay, I think that's about it, guys. I did use the, what is it, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I really like that one. I think that's it. I should have the Violet Voss mini palettes that I bought. I think there was like 3 of them for like $18 when they were like $24 here. So, but $22. So it's like buy one, get 2 free. So I'm pretty happy about that. It should be here tomorrow, fingers crossed. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and please don't forget to give this a like, a share, and make sure you're subscribed.